Hello everyone. Most of you guys had asked to explain step-by-step process of this painting and explain what are the color combination used for this painting. So without wasting time, let's get started. Here I am sketching the outline using light yellow ochre. I have explained in details how to draw the face of the Shiva. If you want to know how to draw the Shiva face, check out the video on the above link and also in the description below. I am using titanium white, crimson lake, Persian blue, black, Mava which is pale purple color, and also most important color is ultramarine blue. Starting with the background, I am using Persian blue and black. For the lighter tone, I am using white plus Persian blue and also a bit of purple. Here I am using crimson lake for the tint of reddish look for the gallery. For the brighter colors I am using white and ultramarine blue. For the stars, only white is being used. For the smaller stars I am using toothbrush to sprinkle white paint like this. For the hairs, I am using black. First, apply only white color on the face to get the glow. For the face, I am using ultramarine blue and white. Watch how I am blending the colors. For the eyebrows, I am using black. For the darker places and the outline, I am using Persian blue. Use ultramarine blue and white to give shadow under the eyes and also outer surface of the face to give depth. Now you can add details on the nose and the lips. The outline of the nose and the lips I am using Persian blue. Use darker and lighter tones to get desired depth. For the body, I am using the same ultramarine blue and white but little darker tone. Add colors on the ears and also white color on the moon. For Ridrakshi Mala, I am using burnt sienna which is brown for the first layer. For the darker places, use burnt sienna and Persian blue. For the highlights, cadmium yellow and brown. Now you can add more hairs on the shoulders using black color and the details using lighter tones. Here I am using purple and white for the lighter tones. Give little bit of shadow using darker ultramarine blue. For the jewelry, I am using brown, cadmium yellow and white. Now start adding the third eye for the Shiva using black color and Vibhuti using white. And finally add some curly hairs on the forehead to finish this painting. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like and share with your friends. See you guys soon. Bye.